this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Dukane document camera software on your computer. The first thing you need to do is to click on this link in the email. It will open in a web browser and it looks like this. Then you're going to choose First Queue Install and choose Download. You'll save it. And if it just pops up down here, then you'll wait for it to continue downloading. And then you'll click on that file. If you get a pop-up that says, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? You'll choose yes. Here, you're going to choose next and next again, accept the license and next again. You're going to type in your username and next and install. And then finish. It wants to create a shortcut on your desktop, so you'll say yes. Here, the visual presenter software will start downloading automatically. You'll click next, next again, next, close. And it will ask you to restart your computer. And when you are ready, you'll click Finished. Once your computer restarts, you're going to make sure that your document camera is plugged into your computer using the USB cord. You're going to open this email back up and click on this link again. This time, you're going to click on Second Setup and Download, Save, if that's an option, or you'll wait for it to finish downloading and click on the file. If you get the window that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You'll click yes. And then here you will click next. It's going to install this software. Once the software is finished downloading, you're going to go back to your desktop. You're going to find the file that says Second Setup. Right click. Choose Properties, click on Compatibility, and you're going to check Run this program in compatibility mode, and you're going to choose Windows 7. Click Apply, and click OK. After you click OK, you want to make sure that your document camera is turned on, and come and click on the Q shortcut right here, the eyeball. Double click on it, and you will be able to see whatever is underneath your document camera.